Corona. I think it's Sharona. What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Welcome to my channel. And how's everybody doing with this whole coronavirus going on? I still gotta work. The other day I was messing around with my phone on the ram mount, trying to get a forward facing camera, making it to where it'll face me. It's a little bit tougher to edit that. I'm gonna have to work with it a little bit and see if I can figure something out. Really, I want to get another GoPro, possibly the Hero 8, and just put the one that I'm using right now onto the bar mount. I tell you what, boys and girls, you ever been to Walmart at 1 a.m.? I was up at the Walmarts at 1 a.m. trying to get just some necessities. And this 13-year-old girl came out with a butcher's knife at me. Stole my toilet paper. I was madder than a midget with a yo-yo, I tell you what. Man, it's getting nice out now. It's a shame that, you know, this whole corona, it's a shame that it's causing people to where they can't go out. People are calling for businesses to close. You know, we just don't know what's gonna happen. It's kind of sad, really. Alright, let's pull up next to this here fella right here. Man, look at that old Kawasaki. That thing's got 3 exhaust pipes on it. Dude, that thing is so cool. I like vintage old bikes like that. I got a guy in Chase on Two Wheels Discord that'll enjoy something like that, I believe. That's pretty cool. Yet again, guys, I am late for work. It really don't usually matter on Tuesday night, though. I get there within 5 minutes. Nobody says nothing, especially if Johnny's there. A lot of shills at Kroger and Walmart here that don't have bread. It's a 500, Kawasaki 500. He just clicked up. What? That thing don't have a low gear, like a down gear? That's crazy. That is so cool. That's such a cool little bike, guys. I like that. It's got the 3 exhaust pipes. That's what's really cool. It's throwing me off because it's, you know, it's not symmetrical. It's really neat. Such a nice day to ride. My thermostat says 68. It said 70 a while ago. But in all honesty, guys, I hope you guys are staying well with this virus out there. I know it's not a laughing matter if you was to get it and it be really bad. And if your job is, you know, shutting down for a little while, I hope you guys get the help you deserve. Because somebody that's working like that, I really believe they should get the help they deserve. Especially if they're forced to stop working on something that they can't control. But hopefully this will be over within a few weeks. I want to split these 2 trucks so bad, but I figure that would probably be a bad idea. Alright, let's take it to the left side. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a word of advice, just because I'm a truck driver and I've had it happen before. Not this particular situation, but I've had it happen. I've had a blowout on my truck. Now these trailers and these trucks hold between 100 and 110 psi per tire. That's a lot of psi. And I've had instances where my trailer tire just explode and just rattle that entire trailer. And I was loaded too. So we're pushing nearly 80,000 pounds. And that joker just starts swerving because of how much it was rattled. So if you're on a motorcycle and you're about to pass an 18-wheeler, I don't give a flying monkey's butt what the speed limit is. Get past that 18-wheeler. Stay away from them. The reason I say that is because if that tire blows out at 110 psi and you're sitting right next to it, there's a chance that you're going to go flying to the left-hand side. And it's not going to feel good whatsoever. It's going to hurt. So just be careful around semi-trucks, big vehicles like that in general. It's just, it could very well end you. And I don't mean to be a little bit on the over-exaggeration side. I'm not trying to be. It could very well be your last moment. It's very dangerous. I'm not just saying that because I'm a truck driver. I'm saying that because it can be. I've seen stuff happen, and it's not fun. I just hope you guys out there stay well, ain't sick. I know I'm doing pretty good, so I love this thing, guys. I love this motorcycle. It's so fun. It's got that rumble, that low rumble now, and I've had so much fun ever since that we've done the modifications to it. I still got to look into getting that tank wrapped. It's probably not going to be in the next few weeks or nothing, so don't look out for it right now. Right now, I got to figure out what I'm doing on editing and stuff. I gotta work my editing skills out and try to make it look a little bit more fun. Trying to get a little bit more creative and goofy stuff like that. But what's your guys' opinion about this whole, like, everybody in YouTube getting a new Corvette C8? Like, I'm proud for them. In fact, I wouldn't mind having one myself to drive. I'm not a big Corvette fan, but I tell you that new C8 with the mid-engine and the interior and everything, the way it looks, it's a really cool looking car. But I feel like they've oversaturated the YouTube like channels with C8s. Now I know, like, I don't know if you guys watch these too, but you got Street Speed 717 and TJ Hunt. They both, if I'm not mistaken, were the first YouTubers to take delivery of their C8s. It kind of gets old when you see everybody doing the same thing. I think, you know, everybody wanted that C8, and, you know, I'm not saying that you can't have it, and that's just a car that you guys really want. So I'm saying congratulations. I'm glad you're able to afford it. I'm glad you were able to get it, but I'm just saying, don't be let down if your channel is not making the views of Street Speed or TJ. In my honest opinion, the best looking C8 out there right now is one that was wrapped by Atlanta Custom Wraps, which is the people that are going to be doing my wrap, I hope. I believe I got me a cop behind me. What in the world is going on here? Anyways, guys, it's going to be it for this video. I know I ain't really done nothing but ramble on about coronavirus and garbage like that. But I hope you guys are excited as I am about this year. I'm hoping that everything clears up with that whole coronavirus. And what in the world? Why is my truck over here? Alright, let's turn around. I guess he's not this way. There he is. Hey!
We ain't got shit out here. Hey, what's the name got you doing something tomorrow?
I don't know. I have to go check. They want me to do what?
Run Douglasville, Carrollton.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll go check. Apparently, I'm running a trip to Rome, Georgia before I start my shift. On that wheelie I just did, I feel like I got airborne. That's such a nice color of a sky. I love it when the sky does that on, like, at sunset. I'm gonna pick the easiest truck to drive tonight, guys. Don't want that. Here we go. Oh, Yeeterbilt. I'll finish this vlog up in the truck. Hey guys, so this is gonna be a little loud. Anyway, I realized in the last video, or in this video right here, I forgot to end the video. So this is just me ending the video. I hope you guys have a great day and stay safe out there with this whole virus going around. And I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.